Hello, what's up, yo? Welcome back, everyone, to my channel. And today, I'm gonna show you this big job. I'm doing a restoration job in this 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. Right now, I'm doing some body works on this side of the truck. And this is the hardest part of the job on this restoration to fix all the rusted portion. And this Dodge Ram 1500 usually rusted on this wheel, so I fixed that already there. I did cut the rusted part of the wheel, and I cut a new piece of metal to make a patch in there and glue it to the panel that without rust, and a combination of welding on that new panel. Then after that, welding everything and gluing, I start putting the fiberglass on it, the long strand fiberglass. That's a good fiberglass, the long strand, because you need to have a good solid foundation. This is the foundation of the bodyworks. So on the wheel side, I put the long strand, and it's really good fiberglass. Then I sand it with 40 grit, then 80 grit. You can start with 40 grit, then sand it after with 80 grit. I did block it with the 80 grit first, and then finish with the orbital sander. And if you're satisfied with your bodyworks, no dents anymore, you can finish it with the orbital sander, sanding with the 80 grit, and finish it with 180 grit. Okay, this side is pretty good, and let's continue this tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back to another day of big job. All the body works are done nicely, so it's ready to spray this with a primer soon. It's quite a lot of preparation, eh? So as you can see guys, everything is ready here for primer. Obviously, I did the hardest part of the job. As you can see, I sanded everything nicely and clean. Here, this is very rusty before. As you can see here, it's all prep up. It's very rusty here, the wheel wells. And here, some spot dent all around here. Rusty portion a little bit here in the fender. As you can see here, the tailgate of this Dodge truck is pretty messed up. Lots of dents. Now, it's way better than it was. Now, ready for primer. As you can see here also, guys, the roof here, I'm gonna do everything in this truck. It's gonna be a nice truck after, so stay tuned guys. We're gonna paint this truck as soon as I'm done prepping this truck. Here on the left hand side of the truck, you can see this is gonna be a nice truck after, guys, so stay tuned. Right here, sanded properly. This is a big job, very big job guys, and we're gonna do it professionally done after the fact. Okay, it's gonna be nice truck after. You can see here, everything is sanded nice, clean. Mask up everything, get ready for primer. So guys, this is the truck that I drove before. As you can see in my previous video, I hauled a compressor on this truck. This is the color of the truck, is blue. There's lots of dents there before. So right now, as you can see, the hardest part of the job is done. Finally, thanks God. Now, let's gonna make this truck ready for paint. Show you the hood here, guys. See, nice and clean also. Sanded everything. Fix the dent, fix the rust. This is gonna be a nice truck after. Okay guys, let's gonna prime that because the time is already 9 p.m. here. I'm gonna prime this truck before the dark. Okay, let's go. So stay tuned guys, and let's do this. Alright guys, you can see here, this is the, there's lots of cups here ready for getting primer. I have lots of cups here. This is spray can cups. This is very clean. It's very expensive. So we're gonna take one of this and we're gonna mix some primer. And let's gonna spray this, prime everything. Okay, let's go. Right here is the primer. I mixed it already here, 1 cup. So let's gonna try to spray that thing. 1:4. I hang the hood here, another side, and the tailgate. So let's go guys, let's spray that one right now. Alright guys, ready to spray. Right here. Oh guys, it's hard to spray the roof because my ceiling is a little bit too close. So I'm gonna go to the front and cover up the front side. I'm gonna mix another one, it's empty. Whew. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my cell phone because I didn't cover it. I don't want to get oversprayed my cell phone. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done priming here. Everything is good, filled up really good. So guys, right here, other side too. So everything is primed up, really good. See, there's the hood. Alright guys, it's gonna wait until it gets dry. It's gonna dry tomorrow. Let's sand everything tomorrow, and it's gonna paint the whole truck. So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna sand it. I'm gonna paint the whole truck, and let it look nice. See you tomorrow guys. Keep rocking. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here we go. Good morning, good morning. So let's finish this one. Let's start sanding this prime, the whole full body paint job. So we're gonna sand it all, everything here. I put the some finer putty for the some imperfections for the primer, some pinholes there, all bit. Now I'm gonna put some sanding guide on this. See this one here. Okay, I'm gonna put sanding guide everything, and we can start sanding this primer. Block it with 320 grit. So let's do that. Okay, I'm done with this little side, so we're gonna go to the other side and put some sanding guide too. Okay guys, everything is sanding guided, so let's start sanding everything. You guys, we're gonna block this one. So hey guys, good morning. Right here, the final paint for the bumper. I painted the bumper first, the rocker, inside the rocker panels there. It's the black portion of this job. Right there, it's very shiny look here, but this is a textured one. I textured that so that it will not rock chips while you're driving on the road. It's very nice. You can see here, guys, the rocker panel, it's pretty nice. Same thing. I put rocker guard in this. As you can see, it's beautiful. See, it's all done. I painted last night. Same thing as the tailgate here. As you can see, rubber guarded, base coated, and put a clear coat on it after. So basically, it's almost ready to unmask and paint the whole truck. So right here, I'll show you here. That's the bed liner. Also painted both same time last night. So this thing, it's not glossy yet because I ran out of base. This is the only the bed liner, but if you want to, it's good enough. Well, I like to put a top coat on this. I like to put like the black anti-rust thing, or you can base coat and clear coat this thing. But there's another paint that you can use for this thing, top coat. You can use anti-rust. This one is when you put it outside, the rain goes in here, it can have rust because this is the textured one. This is not there's some spots in this is not coated with the bed liner. So what I'm gonna do is gonna top coat it with the anti-rusting black, or the glossy one, the gloss black, armor guard, or same kind of paint, that will match to this. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna top coat it with the glossy black, and it will be gonna look nice after the fact. And that's the last portion of this thing. So I think the truck is ready for paint job soon, for full body paint job. I'm gonna do the roof first. Right here. That's prep already, so I just need to do the final mask, everything. Let's gonna do this, unmask and mask everything. Guys, stay tuned and see you on the final paint job.